Hi crafters, this is Cindy from Mrs. B's Craft Room, www.mrsbsblogspot.com. Today I received my new Cricut cartridge, Just Because cards, and I could not wait to start creating with this cartridge. It is so cool. I love it. So the first card I decided to make is this really cute little rocket birthday card. I have 3 little grandsons, and I'm always in the need of little boy cards and little boy items, so I thought this was perfect. So this is the card we're going to make today. So let's get started. After looking through the book, I decided I liked the card base and layer on page 63. It wasn't the actual image that I plan on using, but I liked the card base and the card layer. It has a scallop along each side and then a square or rectangle layer. So that's on page 33. All the cuts I cut today at 7 inches. The actual image that I used is on page 33, and that's the rocket. The card is cute for the rocket. I just didn't think it fit a little boy as well as the other card base that I chose. So I cut all the pieces, the shadow, the layers 1, 2, all of those cut at 7 inches, and also the word You're a Blast, which is what I put on the inside of the card. So all of those were cut at 7 inches. And then for the envelope, what I like about this book is it actually tells you which envelope is for which card. So on page 73, it tells me that this envelope fits cards on page 10, or on button 10, 20, 30, and 40. And I number my books. If you notice, this is the My Pink Stamper way. I number my books. And so the card that we're actually making is on page, let's see, page 63, which is number 40 on the keypad. So that's a really nice feature that this cartridge added from the Wild Card series, is it tells you which envelope it fits. Okay, so let's get started making our card. Okay, so this is the card base that I cut, again at 7 inches, and I've already scored it, so I just folded the card. What I really liked about this card is it had this nice scalloped edge on both sides, so I thought that was cute. Alright, so then the next thing we're going to add is our layer piece, and I'm going to add a piece of ribbon on here first. And we're going to do the My Pink Stamper cheater method, which I love. Save some ribbon. Actually, I had this ribbon left over from another project, so worked out great. And we're just going to tape it on the back. Yeah. Get it on there. It's a little crooked, but that'll be okay. Time to get the ribbon on there, and then we'll go ahead and adhere that to the card base. Okay. And then we will add piece of ribbon here. It looks like I tore the paper a little bit, so we'll add a glue dot under that just to get it to lay down. There we go. Alright, and we'll just trim up our ribbon. And there's the simple, easy card base. Okay, so now we're ready. We'll set that aside and we'll make our rocket. So here's the black shadow. Again, I cut it 7 inches. And then the layer piece, cut it 7 inches. And I'm using the Scotch Quick Dry adhesive. I use all different kinds. I really just kind of use whatever's on sale. And there we go. Alright, so basically we're just going to layer all of the pieces onto the rocket. There are some little pieces with this set, even cut at 7 inches there. I can't imagine how small they would be cut at a smaller amount. This is just a really cute cartridge. I was so excited when it came today. It has so many possibilities of really cute cards. There we go. So our little rocket ship is starting to take shape. Getting a little heavy-handed with the glue tonight. Alright, and the last few pieces. I just really think these little images on this card are so cute. And the new ones they just released also, that Create a Critter. Just can't wait to get that one. Alright, so a couple more things I like to do. I really like to add white gel pen to all my images. I think it really makes the images pop. So I'm just going to add a few dots and lines on my image. And then on the white, I'll use my black gel pen and add a few there. Alright, so there we have our rocket, which we're going to put on our card, and we're going to use pop dots to do that. We'll put a few on the back. Yeah, they're sticking all over the place tonight. Alright, and we will just position that there.